But the prevalence of mobile devices, more and more searches are definitely happening on this little tiny device on the go. And more than 50% of the searches are actually on this little tiny device now. If you're targeting problem-aware folks, you gotta make sure you're found on first page of Google on this little tiny device. Because on the go, you're just gonna pull out this little device and you're gonna do a quick search. So let's take a look at a mobile experience. How is it different than desktop? So for example, on a tiny little mobile device, what they will see, unfortunately these days, are ad placement right at the top. And this is happening right even before they swipe down. All they see are ads, and that obviously is better for the advertisers because it's more or less in their face. It takes up the whole real estate of the screen. And the whole goal here is if you're doing ad placement, they can just tap this and call you and bypass your website. So typically, unfortunately, what you will see are just ad placement. Then, very often, the ads take up 4 placements. There's maximum of 4 spots. And over here, this example only has 2. And once you start swiping down, this is where you will see the local 3-pack, right? These are location-based businesses. Then, as you further swipe down, this is where you see organic. So from a real estate point of view, the ads do win quite a bit because they're in your face, but you got to make sure you're showing up in local search. And that way people can just call you directly. There should be call buttons here. They can call you directly, or they can tap these listings and check you out on Google My Business listing, or to call you directly. So a mobile experience is very, very different than desktop experience. Make sure that you're found easily on first page of Google on this little tiny device.